A lot of projects start with a simple idea. Maybe it is a product concept, a rough sketch, a part that needs to be improved, or a prototype that already works but is not ready for production yet. That is where engineering review becomes important. Before moving into prototyping or manufacturing, we look at the design as a complete system. We check how the part will function, how it will fit, how it will be assembled, what material makes sense, and how it can be manufactured efficiently. A product may look good in CAD, but that does not always mean it is ready to build. Small details can create big problems later. Wall thickness, tolerances, fastener placement, material choice, electronic space, and assembly access, etc. can all affect whether the product works in the real world. That is why we focus on practical engineering, not just visual design. If a client brings us a sketch, we can help develop it into a 3D CAD model. If they already have a CAD model, we can review it for manufacturability, strength, fit, and prototyping risk. If they have a physical part, we can help with reverse engineering, redesign, optimization, or production-ready documentation. The goal is always the same: move the project forward with fewer mistakes, better decisions, and a clearer path toward manufacturing. Prototyping is an important step, but a prototype should not just look impressive. It should answer specific engineering questions. Does the mechanism work? Do the parts fit? Is the material strong enough? Can the product be assembled? Will it survive real use? When those questions are answered early, the project becomes much stronger. EX Pro can support many types of engineering projects, including product design, mechanical design, CAD development, etc. Reverse engineering, prototyping support, manufacturing preparation, and design optimization. Whether your project is simple, complex, early stage, or already in development, etc. We can help review the design, identify the risks, and guide the next step. If you have a product idea, a sketch, a prototype, a CAD file, or an engineering problem that needs a solution, contact XPro. Let's take your idea and turn it into something practical, manufacturable, and ready for the real world.